if you're just about to step out of the house, will you need your coat? Will you need your brolly? Here's the person who can tell us. Morning, Carol.
Morning.
Good morning, both. Yes, to both of these, Sal, actually. You will. It's a cold start in some eastern areas this morning. We've had some clear skies, whereas in the west, it's a different story. We've got thicker cloud, rain and blustery conditions. So Boyne in Edinburgh, only 1 degree or 2 degrees. But as we sweep down towards Cardiff, we're looking already at 8 degrees. Now, as we go through the next few days, it is going to be wetter, but it is going to turn milder, especially from tomorrow, when we could have highs up to 16. And on Thursday, we could even see 17 degrees, so above average temperatures for this time of year.
Carol,
seeing stars.
morning. Look at that.
Isn't it a beautiful picture? Good morning, everybody. You may have heard that 5 of our planets are aligning at the moment. That's Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter and Uranus. Now, if you look after a sunset into the sky, you might be lucky enough to see some of them. Mars, for example, is the one closest to the moon, and Venus is the brightest, but the hardest to see without a telescope or indeed binoculars perhaps will be Mercury and Uranus. It's worth having a look. This is a gorgeous, clear picture of the night sky from Lossiemouth, a plethora of stars around, but it does mean where we've had the clear skies, of course, by night, it is where it's going to be coldest. And it's cold in the east this morning. In the west, there's more going on.
Look at that behind you. Another rainbow for us. Thank you.
I know. It is an absolute pleasure, Ben. Good morning, everybody. This morning, it is wet for many of us. Where it's dry, we've had clear skies and it's been a cold start to the day. Well, I can tell you it's mild this morning in the southwest of England. In fact, western areas generally a lot milder than it is in the far north and the east, where we have got a touch of frost. Altnahara, -2 degrees. There's more cloud and more rain in western areas. We've also got some drizzle, as you can see from one of our weather watchers pictures taken earlier in Falmouth in Cornwall. Good morning, both. Good morning to you too. Well, it's going to be fairly cloudy and wet in a nutshell, Sal, as you can see from one of our weather watchers pictures taken earlier in Lincolnshire. Good morning, everyone. In fact, the next few days it's going to turn milder, but it's still going to be wet. But on Thursday, we're expecting a temperature of at least 17 degrees. If it gets higher than 17.2 Celsius, it will make it the warmest day of this year so far. 17.2 Celsius was recorded in February in Pershore.